Okay, number 8, we have a quadratic. A is the number by the squared. A is 10, B is 49, and C is -5. Your first step is to see if all of these divide by something similar. That 49 kind of messes it up. The only thing that divides are 7. So it does not work. So that means we multiply our A and C. So 10 times -5 is -50. And we're just going to look at factors of 50 that add or subtract to 49. So I always start with 1. 1 times 50. I wrote 49. I've said 49. And that's the 1. 50 minus 1. But if you list them all out, you can. That's okay. Okay, but that's nice when it's a starting one. 1 or 50, sorry, I wrote it backwards. 50 minus 1 is positive 49. That's what we want. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite our original quadratic here. And we're going to rewrite 49t using 50 and 1. So 50t minus 1t. Then we still have -5, and we still have 10t squared. So now we group the first two, and we group the second two, and we look for common factors. So start with the numbers. 10 and 50. What's the greatest number those divide by? 10. And then they both have a t, so we're going to take out a t. So when we write that, 10t, and then what's left over? 10 divided by 10 is 1. T squared divided by t is just t. And then 50 divided by 10 is 5. And we took the t out. Remember, if you multiply these, 10t squared plus 50t, you're back here. Okay, everything's checkable along the way. Okay, now here, there's nothing to take out. 1 and 5, there's just a t, but remember these have to be the same, our factors. So when the leading coefficient's negative, you want to take it out. So -1. And that's going to change our signs to be +5. Because remember, these have to be the same. Those are our factors. So our factors here are 10t minus 1, what we took out, and then the one that's the same we just write once. So I'm going to check our answer. I have 10t multiplied by the second binomial. And I have -1 multiplied by the second binomial. See, I just wrote this exact same step. Okay, then we're going to multiply. 10t squared plus 50t minus 1t minus 5. I just wrote this step. Then the middle two combine to 49. And that's what we started with. I just wrote that. So checking helps you see your steps along the way. So our factored form is 10t minus 1 and t plus 5.